information. This station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harris County until 9:45 a.m. At 9:16 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Edgebrook or over South Houston, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Possible hazards with this storm include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harris County until 9:45 a.m. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system. We break in. Keep tuned right here for the latest weather update.